Hi everyone, this is Balaj and I'm a professional graphic designer and this is my YouTube channel Explore with Balaj, and we will be discussing about some graphic designing tricks, and we will be exploring some new places on my channel, and I will be updating my daily routine as a graphic designer in Pakistan, how we work and on what projects we do, and like all my daily routine from morning to evening. And we will be checking how graphic designers live in Pakistan. And right now I'm in our studio. So I just started working in here, and this is my new job. And I will be telling you guys like what's the scope as a graphic designer in Pakistan, how we can like live in Pakistan as a graphic designer and work and explore. I will be covering food and traveling places and exploring new places where you never have been. So stay in touch, like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So we will meet you soon. Have a good day.